This is Kyle Ingen, firefighter paramedic with the Burnsville Fire Department. Thanksgiving is the leading day of the year for home fires involving cooking. So keeping fire safety top of mind in the kitchen during this joyous but hectic time is important. As you start preparing and organizing that large family feast, remember that following a few simple safety tips can keep you and your family safer from fire. Make sure your smoke alarms are working before the big event. Plan activities that will keep the kids out of the kitchen. Keep the floor clear to avoid tripping over kids, toys, purses, or bags. Never leave children alone in a room with a lit candle. Stay home when cooking your turkey. Send someone else to the store for those last-minute items. Stay in the kitchen if cooking anything on the stovetop. Keep kids at least 3 feet away from the stove. Keep knives, electric cords, matches, and lighters out of the reach of children. Keep kids away from hot foods and liquids. The steam or splash from vegetables, gravy, or coffee could cause serious burns. Enjoy all the trimmings and fun this Thanksgiving while being fire safe. This has been another Burnsville Public Safety Minute.